Hey there, Ride the Car Guy here, and today we're going to do a quick video on how to replace the cabin filter in the Chrysler 300. This is a 2011, which makes it the second generation. However, this same process does apply to the first generation as well. I went with a carbon activated filter, and these should be replaced every year or every 10,000 miles, whichever comes first. I'll put a link in the description below for this one. Now for reference, inside of the engine compartment, it's in the upper left-hand corner, and it's right behind this little grated piece of plastic. All we have to do is pop this off, pop out the filter, and swap it out. Now to do that, just push these clips towards the actual plate itself, and it should lift right out. Set that aside, and then here you have the top of the filter, and you can actually see the filter right there. Just get your fingers underneath that lip and lift up, and you'll see that the filter's right there. Just pull that filter out and get your new one. Now the two things you want to watch for when installing your filter are pinching the filter. So if you have to pinch it to get it in and it bows like this, it's just going to bypass the filter. Secondly, we want to look at airflow. So the arrow obviously tells you the direction that the air should be flowing. So you want it to be in this direction when you're inserting it. So just flip that plastic piece back, get it inside of the tracks, push down, and then snap it back in place. Now that that's back in place, simply put your cover back in, snap it in, and that's it. It's an incredibly simple job, but it's very frequently overlooked. The filters are only a few bucks, and every time that your heat or AC is not on recirculate, all of the air that you're breathing is coming through that filter. So it makes sense to make sure that that filter is nice and clean at all times. If you want to keep up with what I'm doing, head to rtcg.tv. And if you want to check in on any giveaways I might be doing, head to rtcg.tv/giveaway. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.